כ"ח ניסן יום שישי שמחה גדולה, אור חדש הפציע, נולדה לנשמה. בטנפליי ניו ג'רזי לעיר זאת תפקידה. מנדי בן יקר ברוך הבא, אין סוף כוחות ניתנו לך ושתי נפשות להעיר בתוך לבך נלחמות. וכשכעת במצווה תקבל כלי רב עוצמה, גמר כניסת הנפש הקדושה. ויש לך יכולת, אתה חלק אלוקה, מחובר תמיד למקום, שליח שלו.
את כל כוחות נפשי אשקיע במשימה, במעשה דיבור מחשבה, להשם נדירה. ביכולתי לקרב גאולה, כל מצווה שלי לנצח משפיעה. בגבורה אחריה מלחמה, בתוכי עוצמות של בר מצווה.
Danny was turning 13 in the winter of 1955. Like his classmates, Danny was gearing up for his bar mitzvah, the big day on which Jewish tradition places the full privilege and also responsibility of living the Jewish way on a young man's shoulders. Danny expected nothing more than a traditional celebration, but his dad had also prepared something quite different: a private audience with a world-famous Jewish sage, the Lubavitcher Rebbe. The goal was simply to receive the great rabbi's blessing, but Danny was nervous. He was far more fluent in sports than Jewish studies, and having to face a genuine Hasidic master sounded intimidating. What if the rabbi would ask him about his Torah studies, or test his familiarity with the fine points of Jewish practice? But he didn't have to worry. When the Rebbe turned to Danny, he didn't ask a thing about his studies. In fact, his question was one that Danny never dreamt of hearing from a Torah sage. The Rebbe asked, "Are you a baseball fan?" Danny nodded enthusiastically, so the Rebbe took it further. "Are you a fan of the Yankees or the Dodgers?" Danny was most surprised, but hey, these were questions he could easily answer. He was a proud Dodgers fan, but the Rebbe was not done. "How was the last game you attended?" "Disappointing," Danny confessed. "By the 6th inning, the Dodgers were losing 9-2, so we left." The Rebbe nodded. "Tell me, did the players also leave the game when you did?" "Of course not, Rabbi," Danny exclaimed. "Players can't leave in the middle of a game." "Why not?" smiled the Rebbe. "How does that work?" "Well, Rabbi, there are fans, like me and my dad. We just watch the game. And there are the players who actually play the game. We can leave whenever we want, but players have to continue trying to win the game until it is over." The Rebbe was waiting for this moment. "That's the lesson you should take for your life as a responsible Jew," he gently advised. "You could either be a fan or a player. Be a player." Well, Danny left that meeting with a new sense of purpose. He no longer viewed his bar mitzvah as a routine nod to an ancient tradition. No, it would be the starting pitch in a lifelong game he would play to win.
Entering bar mitzvah on the team of the king, a fan, a spectator, the player you will be. Invest the player, win the game, I'm out from the side. My action, my mission, my goals, I will decide.
שנים שמהצד מתבונן נרגש, רוצה להיות שחקן רציני במגרש. לא רק אוהד, לא לפעמים עמוק בפנים, אקבל עול מצוותיו של אלוקים.
בחשיכה, שחר גאולה כבר ייבקע. עד שתשכח גלות בחשיכה,
שחר גאולה